English Anyone, Lesson 7, To Be and Contractions. Hello, listen and watch. I am a policeman. I'm a policeman. Am I a policeman? Yes, I am. Am I a monkey? No, I'm not. I am not a monkey. He is a chef. He's a chef. Is he a chef? Yes, he is. Is he a monkey? No, he isn't. Or, no, he's not. She is a nurse. She's a nurse. Is she a nurse? Yes, she is. Is she a monkey? No, she isn't. Or, no, she's not. It is a monkey. It's a monkey. Is it a monkey? Yes, it is. Is it a jellyfish? No, it isn't. Or, no, it's not. They are monkeys. They're monkeys. Are they monkeys? Yes, they are. Are they ducks? No, they aren't. Or, no, they're not. Goodbye. To be and contractions. I am, I'm not. You are, you aren't. You're not. He is, he isn't. He's not. She is, she isn't. She's not. It is, it isn't. It's not. We are, we aren't. We're not. They are, they aren't. They're not. For more free tips, lessons, and videos, and to discover the 7 secrets to becoming a confident, fluent English speaker easily and automatically, visit us at EnglishAnyone.com.